Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these pretty little flowers. I'm going to start with a magic ring. I'll show you how I do mine. I take the yarn, hold it between my fingers. Now I'll take the tail end, twist it up so I have a loop. I pinch the loop between my fingers, insert the hook from the front, grab the working yarn and pull through the loop. Then you yarn over and pull through the little loop. And that's the magic ring. Now we're going to start with a petal. We're going to be working all our stitches into the magic ring. So the petal will consist of a single crochet, chain 2, 3 triple crochets, 2 chains and a single crochet again. So we're going to start with a single crochet into the ring. Now we're going to chain 2, now we want to do 3 triple crochets. So for a triple crochet you'll yarn over twice. We'll insert our hook into the circle, yarn over. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Going to yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, and finally yarn over and pull through our last 2 loops, and that's our triple crochet. So we're going to do 2 more of these. So again, yarn over twice, into the circle, yarn over, got 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's our second one. Do 1 more, yarn over twice, insert into the circle, yarn over and pull through, got 4 loops on our hook, the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's our 3 triple crochets, and here we started with a single crochet and 2 chains. So to complete our other half of the other end of the petal, we're going to do 2 chains and single crochet into the ring. There we go. And that's our first petal. So we're going to start our second petal on the base of the end of the first petal. So we've got our single crochet here. Now we're going to chain 2, and again we're going to do 3 triple crochets now. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. And again, yarn over twice, pull through 2, yarn over next 2, yarn over the last 2. 1 more triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, the next 2, and the last 2. And again we're going to do chain 2 and a single crochet to finish our petal. Chain 2 and a single crochet. That's our second petal. On to the third. We've got our single crochet. We're going to chain 2 and do 3 triple crochets. Yarn over twice, into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, yarn over, pull through 2. That's one. Second one. And a third one. Now we're going to chain 2 and single crochet. Fourth petal, chain 2 and 3 triple crochets. One, two, and 3, chain 2 and single crochet. Now on to our last petal. You can tighten your ring a little bit if it's becoming a bit too loose for you. So 2 chains, 3 triple crochets, one, two, three. Now we're going to chain 2 and we won't finish by single crocheting into the circle. What we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into the single crochet of our first petal. So this was our chain 2 and a single crochet. So we're just going to find that single crochet, yarn over and pull straight through the loop. And that's our flower done. Now I'm going to take the tail end, pull at it and tighten our circle. There's our little flower. I like these because they're not flat, they go a bit 3D and give a bit more texture. So to finish off, we're going to take our scissors, cut our yarn and pull through the slip stitch there. Now you've got 2 ends. You've got the starting tail end and this end that we just finished with. Now you could take your yarning needle and weave the ends through, but what I tend to do, I just bring this end a bit closer to the starting end and then just tie them together. So find a loop on the back of your flower and pull through this end so it comes down closer to the starting end a couple of times, and now they're together, just tie a couple of knots. And there we are. Straighten your flower out. You can either snip off the ends if you just want the flower on its own, or if you're going to attach it to another project, leave the ends longer and tie it to whatever you want to tie it to.